Welcome back to another segment of Finance Friday. First Ontario's Chief Operating Officer, Mark Perkins, back with another viewer questions to get things started. Mark, let's hop right into it. Question 1 from Bonnie from Tilsonburg asks, what can you do to build and maintain a good credit rating, and what affects your credit score? Mark?
Your credit rating or your credit score is probably the most important financial measurement, recognition of your financial health. It tells lenders and credit grantors how responsible you are with credit. So let's start with a few of the basics. So there's two primary credit rating agencies in Canada. You have Equifax and you have TransUnion. Credit scores range from 0 to 900, but it's really that 6 to 900 range that matters. So anything north of 800 is exemplary, north of 700, very, very good. The majority of Canadians will fall in that 640 to 700 range. Once you are below 600, you're going to have difficulty accessing credit, at least under reasonable terms and conditions. The variables that go into it, credit utilization, amount of credit you have, the frequency of credit applications, but the most important one is your payment history being within the terms and conditions. In Canada, we all start with a blank credit rating. So whether you're younger or new to Canada, you want to get that started right away because it does have an impact in everything we do. And I use the term credit grantors as opposed to lenders because it's cell phone companies, it's utilities. We all hear the ads on TV and on the radio. Don't pay for a year, OAC. Get this introductory interest rate, OAC. That OAC means for unapproved credit. Okay. So that's something that kind of affects us in our day-to-day. So you want to start that healthy relationship. If you're new to Canada, you spent a lot of your life trying to build a credit rating somewhere else, and it's blank when you get to Canada. So get a bank account open, get a cash secured credit card if you need to, because you really want that payment behavior. And then the variables as well as you want your cell phone company, utilities, you want to ask them to report to the credit bureaus on the positive attributes, because they're definitely reporting on the negative attributes. Yeah. And those stay with you 6, 7, 8+ years.
Okay, so that really sticks with you. We have about 90 seconds left. Once you get started, how do you improve your rating?
Make your payments on time. Don't just skip a payment. Contact your lender. Mortgages, loans, things like that. They may have a skip a payment feature, but they don't kick in automatically. You have to ask for them. Make that minimum payment on your credit card and get a copy of your credit bureau. Dollars to donuts. There's stuff on there that you have no idea. You had no idea it was there. And for me, it was a cell phone dispute from 8 years ago, and it was still on there, right?
Really? Oh my
so
goodness.
you gotta go through the process of getting it removed.
Okay. And where can you find your credit score?
I'd go straight to the source. So Equifax, TransUnion, October Cybersecurity Month. So there's lots of fee-for-service or subscription services out there. However, you got to be really, really careful because this is your crown jewel. This is your personal financial information. And unfortunately, there's a lot of bad actors out there trying to get access to it for nefarious reasons.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much for all of these tips, Mark. We really, really appreciate it. Great information. We'll get it up on our website, and you can also email your questions to Finance Friday at FirstOntario.com. Now, if your question or topic is selected to be covered on air, you receive a gift card from First Ontario. Now, like I said, all of these info up on our website, and we'll have more Morning Live coming your way just after this.